Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the CNN app. First you need to do is to go to your browser, in this case Google. So we're going to learn how to watch CNN on Android TV. So just search for CNN and you'll see recommendations coming like CNN app. So that's the one I want. And look at play.google.com, that's the one you're looking for. So on play.google.com, click on that link and you're navigating into the app. I have it downloaded already, so I'm clicking open. If you don't have it downloaded, you see install, and when you click on install, you get the app straight into your app library installed automatically, and you can access it either by clicking open app or you can access it in your app library. But when you have the app, just click on open and you get it here. Now you could get all the relevant views. You could choose to edit these settings if you want to see breaking news on those notifications, see the latest CNN Watch Now, live video, big interview, CNN specialist. If you're interested in business and tech, climate crisis, you could pick all that good stuff, what you want, and then you will receive alerts on those topics. So if you save and continue, you will actually receive alerts on those topics on your device. So on CNN, the homepage here, you could have all the top stories. Under home, you can see this story. You could go to shorts. CNN just introduced shorts, so you could look at short videos giving the latest stories. And then you come down to watch. This is the most important part for this video. So under watch, you could find the featured content and go through it, or you could look for specific content you're looking for. So you could go on to search for specific content under watch, or just go along with the featured content which CNN as an application is recommending. So you could scroll and find the latest stories and watch the news. So all of these are very interesting stories. You can navigate to them and what have you. So another option is the settings. You hop over to settings where you'll be able to sign into your actual CNN account so that your data is synced and you could have the same feed, the same algorithm running on the two sites or the two devices, and you could manage your alerts from here as well. Or alternatively, you could just come to watch and watch the content that you are fed on your featured, this is like your feed. So you could explore the resources there and the content that pops up with the news and the stories. Or you could be patient and sign in, and when you do that, you have your data synchronized across maybe your mobile device and your TV, and that's how you watch CNN on Android TV. If you found that insightful, I'd like you to hit the like button. I'd like you to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.